Hey, welcome back. Let's doodle some donuts today. First though, don't forget to subscribe and check the details because we're going to give away an Apple Pen Pro coming up soon. First time we're going to fly through these little donuts here, and this is just because I wanted a donut this morning, but there were no donuts in sight, so we doodled a donut instead. And what we're going to do is we're going to fly through here, but now we're going to slow it down in a second and go through each little donut doodle on its own so you can see it and you can do it for yourself. So the first thing I do is grab a sketch pencil, a pen, a brush, whatever you want to call it, and sketch your donut, right? We all know donut is just some circles, smaller circle. Fine tune it, and then I go over that by hand so that things aren't so perfect. Add some color, add some depth, add some shadow in. Repeat. Each donut, you could just use the same base. It's such a simple process though, and I don't want them all being exactly the same. So I just resketch each one. And I don't want the icing being the same. I want to switch up the toppings. This one I love because I just want to eat it. This one is just cute, so that's a plus too, I guess. I don't know anywhere that actually has sprinkles that large on top of donuts, but I wanted to add some fun color to it, so that was that. Anyways, that was a fun little donut tutorial, and come back again and let's doodle together.